In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add an MP4 to your Mailjet email. Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to Video Email. Video email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll run you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. We've created a new email campaign in Mailjet, completing all the fields as normal. We then select our template. Having selected our template, we select the HTML block in the template builder. We drag the HTML block into position where we wish our MP4 to be featured. Next, we click on the HTML block to reveal the HTML pane. Finally, we select Save. We are now ready to move on to creating our video content. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our video. We now upload our MP4 from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting it from our folders. We now enter the width of our video at 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our MP4 will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the MP4 file. We have now successfully uploaded our MP4. Next, we choose how we are going to use the MP4. We select the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of the page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our MP4 to our template. We return to Mailjet, where we paste the HTML snippet into the source code pane, and then click the Save icon. Our MP4 is now in position within our template. We select Preview to view our video email on mobile and desktop. Finally, now proceed to complete our campaign setup ready for sending. Thanks for watching. For full details of the free, unlimited trial of the Viewed Video Email platform, scan the QR code or use the link shown here.